Hello everyone, happy Raksha Bandhan to you all. So in this video I will share with you two easy Rakhi that you can make for your brothers. So in the first you have to take a square rectangle sheet and you have to put some glue and you have to wrap the wool. And now I am sticking the lace in two sides of the square. Now I will simply make the dory with the help of this wool only. In the end I will glue a stone in the center of the Rakhi and it's done. And definitely make this Rakhi to make this Raksha Bandhan a special one. So in the second I will take a rectangle sheet of cardboard and I will wrap the wool, yellow color wool 50 times and I will cut the extra. Then I will take out the wool and I will insert a wool piece and I will make a knot. 2-3 knot I will make. If you like my videos, please do like, share and subscribe. Bye.